What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we were back on this 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. For today, we'll be doing that's my older brother.
No, don't put that in there.
I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so we'll be doing a complete parts teardown. So we'll be taking out the front bumper, the fender, the headlight, along with some suspension, and maybe dig deeper underneath there, see what exactly is damaged. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, so I got the front bumper removed as well as a bunch of the other stuff as you seen in the fast forwarded video. I wrote up a quick part list. We've got on here a few parts, if you guys can see. Right hand knee assembly, that whole assembly right there. Spindle, shock, lower control arms, upper control arm, all that. As well as the subframe. Subframe is mangled. I'll show you here in a little bit. Inner and outer tie rod, just to be safe. I think the inner is bent. Outer, I'm not sure, but it's a lot of damage. That broken control arm, might as well replace the outer too. Sway bar cut up, it's broken. Fender liner, I think I already got that ordered, and both of the splash shield, one for the engine and one for the front bumper. So got those ordered. I have the door with that mirror right there, and I got the fender and I got the bumper already. So only thing I need to get is the brackets for that bumper right there on the ground. Ones go right around that corner, and then there's another one down there, sits on the fender. I need to get both of those brackets and that headlight. So I'm thinking that headlight on the driver's side is pretty good. They're Exxon headlights. I'm thinking of maybe getting the color changing ones, making them red halos or whatever they call them. Look pretty good with the mods we're gonna do to this car. But let's check out the damage. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is the knee assembly. You can see that busted lower control arm that we showed previously, as well as this high performance shock. It's got some wires cut up on it. It's crazy. I think this is a Bliston brand. I'm not exactly sure. There's this other control arm, lower control arm. It's mounted on the spindle all right, but right here on the engine side, it is, I mean on the subframe side, it's just completely pulled out of its place, ripped up the subframe right here. I don't know how we're gonna open this. Maybe just leave this with the subframe, because that bolt is going right it passed through here and it's going right through the rubber. You can even see how it's bent right there. So it's basically like a really open V. And so I'm just gonna disconnect it from the spindle right there and then leave this with the subframe when we take it out. But definitely get a new subframe. I can see it's bent back here anyway, so there's no arguing with that. Just replace it. Shock hopefully comes with that knee assembly, upper control arm, and our damage right here isn't too bad. I think I'm gonna straighten all this out. This right here, I need to get all the suspension work done, subframe, knee assembly, and then I'm gonna take it to our frame shop and just put some really good clamps on here, pull it a little bit this way. You can see there's like a little kink right there, but it's nothing too big. So it should be a really fun rebuild. This is my first time getting a Hellcat. I mean, we've been working on Challengers for a while now, but nothing Hellcat or 6.2. But let's start taking out the seat belts so we can get them sent over to safety restore. Okay guys, just like that, we're done with our teardown process. I got both side seat belts open along with the buckles. I noticed them crunched like this. That means they're blown. Usually they would be fully open. So both of those buckles will need to get repaired as well by safety restore. But other than that, I ordered a few of the parts. I had a issue with this shock tower strut. It's apparently it has dampening or something like that. It's got a wire that comes from here, connects all the way to this one right here. So that's gonna be fun to mess with. But other than that, I think it should be a pretty simple rebuild. Stay tuned for part 3. Thank you for watching.